Hey guys, welcome to stanna.s channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can download and install Windows 11 on your computer. Let's get started. Go on your browser, type in Windows 11 download, select the first option that comes up. Now before you go about installing this, you need to first make sure your device meets the system's minimum requirements to install Windows 11. The best way to check that is click on this PC Health Check app, select the first link, download. I've already installed it. All you need to do is click on check now. Instantly it tells you whether your PC meets its requirements or not. In case if it doesn't, select see all results. See what information or what part of the system doesn't meet the Windows 11 requirements and try and upgrade that. Once you do that, recheck this and move ahead with the installation. Once you're back on your download page for Windows 11, you could choose either the first one or the second one for the installation. The first one is just simply it says upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. You can go with that, or you can choose to do a clean install or even an upgrade from a Windows 10 to 11. So I'm going to take this option here. All I do is click on download now. It will download a Windows installation media. Here it is. I just installed this. All right, all you do now is click on accept. By default, it shows English, United States, Windows 11. I'm going to keep this use the recommended option for this PC. If you uncheck this, it gives you the option just Windows 11. Now you click next. Over here you have two options. A USB flash drive, which is generally used for a bootable USB drive. That's where you would select it. But I want to just download the ISO file, so I'm going to select that and click next. I already have my Windows ISO file downloaded. It's about 4.16 GB. So I'm going to cancel out of this page. Right, so once you have your Windows ISO file downloaded, there's two ways you can install it. One is just double click it. You come to the folder which has the setup files for the Windows 11. The other is you just right click and you click on mount. That takes you to the same page. Either option, all you need to do is click on setup.exe file. This may take a few minutes. Change how the setup downloads updates. Right, it says download updates and drivers, optional features recommended. I would suggest that you use this. I want to help make the installation better. Click next. Once you click on accept, this is one of the most important pages of your installation. This is where you can decide whether you want to go with a clean install completely with Windows 11 or you want to take your Windows 10 files and applications and move it over along on Windows 11. So I want to do that. I want to get all my Windows 10 applications that I have over onto Windows 11. So I'm going to choose the first option here, keep personal files and apps. If you want to do a clean installation, you will select nothing and move next. So I want to keep it, so I'll go with personal files, click next. Okay, so you're all ready to install now. So I click on install. It says your PC will restart several times, so it may take a while. I'm going to click on cancel since I've already installed it. All right, so that's how you go about downloading and installing Windows 11 on your computer and also making sure that you have your files and applications moved over as well. Quickly, I want to show you something here. It says, can I go back to Windows 10 after my upgrade if I don't like Windows 11? It says yes, after you've installed Windows 11 upgrade, there is a 10-day period where you can move back to Windows while keeping the files and the data you brought along with you. After the 10 days, you will need to back up your data and do a clean install to move back to Windows 10. Go to your local drive where your Windows operating system is installed. In my case, it's C. You see there's something called as windows.old. Don't delete this. If you want to decide to go back to Windows 10, these are the files that you'll require to move back to Windows 10. After a 10-day period, this automatically deletes itself. In case if it doesn't, you can delete it yourself as well. Right, that's all about how you can download and install Windows 11. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Take care and stay safe.